Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm quickly going to show you how to easily remove the background of this image. First, I have to duplicate, so I would show you the end result. So the next thing you want to do is go to your properties, scroll down, and if you don't have properties open, just go to Windows and locate properties. Select to change the image to smart object. After that, click on remove background. That is how easy it is to do or to remove background in Photoshop. As you can see, this is flawed. You can see where I just circled. So I want you to see that we need to do more. So the next thing we're going to do is create a new layer, add a solid color to that layer, and I'm going to change the color a bit. I'll drag it down so that it's under the layer for the image, so we can see what we want to do. Just click on it, go to select and max. So when you do that, now select refine hair, and also ensure that you have the option on object aware on your right hand side. The properties is on object aware. So the next thing you want to do is you want to make adjustment, ensure that every other thing is on 0 except shift edge. So you adjust that, and as you're adjusting, you can see the effect on the image itself. So just walk around that, and when you're done, click on the lasso tool. With the lasso tool, you can now select all the other parts that has actually turned to transparent. You can just select and it will fill up those places back. So that's how you do it. And if you need to make any adjustments like I will do in this video, please go ahead and make the adjustments as well. You can also see on the property end that you can view the original design or the original state at which the picture is, and also then adjust it and compare it with the recent edits that you just made. And when you're done, when you're sure you have everything that you need, just click on OK, and then you're good to go. Don't forget to like this video, share, and also leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.